Another day of excessive heat here in the Coachella Valley. Palm Springs coming in with a high temperature of 110 degrees, very similar to what we were experiencing yesterday when we peaked at 111. Should we go ahead and just get tomorrow out of the way because we're going to be dealing with more of the same. This month has been a warm one, and we're just continuing to put more of those red boxes on the calendar as we close out this month. Yeah, above normal temperatures, that is the trend. And right now, excessive heat is the trend. This excessive heat warning went into effect noon on Tuesday. It remains in effect through the end of the work week, scheduled to expire 7 p.m. on Friday. Now, this does include all of the Coachella Valley, and it's for those temperatures around 110. The reason for the heat, of course, is high pressure. We've been talking about a ridge of high pressure not wanting to go anywhere. It's just camped out right over the west coast, so we're keeping that excessive heat warning in play. By Friday, while it's still going to be hot out there, that ridge of high pressure is gradually going to be getting shifted farther towards the east because of low pressure just towards our west. This is what's going to begin to help cool things down as we head into the weekend. But before the weekend gets here, here's some tips. We've looked at this many times, but always just a reminder, if you're trying to keep yourself cool, keep your house cool, these are some very simple things you can do rather than use the oven in the kitchen, which heats up the whole kitchen, makes your AC have to turn on. Well, just use the grill outside. Or instead of the dryer, use your clothesline. I did some towels today, took less than an hour to line dry them. It's very easy to do, and well, you're going to be saving some energy at that as well. All right, something else to look at. The tropics. We talked about the beginning of hurricane season for the Eastern Pacific, and this is what we're looking at right now. By the end of the week, within the next 48 hours, there is a 30% chance of a cyclone formation just off the coast of Guatemala, Honduras. So we're certainly going to be watching that. Here we are beginning to heat up. Our ocean waters are heating up as well. On your Comfort Air 7-day forecast, of course, we're keeping that heat right here in the desert near 110 once again tomorrow, but relief is on the way for the weekend with low 100s. Unfortunately, that big cool down we talked about yesterday doesn't seem to be the case for next week. Low 100s stick with us. But you know, Karen, at least it's not as hot as what we dealt with this week.
Yeah, you're